Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. Let's talk about DOS and DDoS attacks. DOS attack stands for Denial of Service Attack. It is an attack where an attacker generates huge number of requests from a computer and sends it to a server. Now the server eventually fails to handle these much requests and it crashes. Okay, so how this happens is, let's say I have a server which can only handle 100 requests subsequently, and the attacker sends 120 requests. In that case, my server will fail to handle those requests and it will eventually crash. DDoS is basically another version of DOS attack. Instead of a single computer, the attacker uses an entire network of computers called botnet in order to generate huge number of requests to overload the server.